Hey, first grade, it's Mr. Parsons here, and what another great opportunity that we have to learn about music instruments. If you remember last week, we talked about our percussion instruments and the 3 ways that you can make a sound on the percussion instruments. Remember the first one? Shake. I think this was your favorite one last time. Strike. And last but not least, you gotta scrape. You gotta scrape. You gotta scrape. That's right, kids. You remember the 3? It was strike, scrape, and what's the last one? Shake. That's right. You see, all of those instruments had to deal with how we used our hands when we want to make a sound with the instrument. But guess what? Now we're going to talk about 2 different distinct instrument families that require our breath. Can you put your hands on your belly like this? Awesome. Breathe in and breathe out. These 2 instrument families that we're going to discuss are this: the woodwind family and the brass family. One more time. The woodwind family and the brass family. Let's break those instruments down. This first instrument is a tuba. The tuba is the largest of all brass family instruments. It is made of shiny metal. Look how long and curly the tubes are. The tuba has 3 or 4 buttons called valves. It's the biggest brass instrument. Look at this instrument. It's called the trombone. The trombone is also made of shiny metal, but instead of buttons, it has a long slide that moves in and out to change its sound. And this next instrument is called the French horn. It is a round instrument. It is part of the brass family too. It has lots of curling tubes all wrapped in a circle. The French horn has buttons on it called valves on top. It has a big bell at the end as well. And the smallest instrument is called the trumpet. The trumpet is shiny and made of metal. It has 3 buttons called valves on top. It is much smaller than the tuba, but it still has a big bell on the end. When thinking about the brass family, think of these 4 words. Metal. Is it shiny? Does it have a lot of curves? And are there valves? These are what cause a brass family. This first instrument of the woodwind family is called the bassoon. It is long and made of wood. Look at the silver buttons called keys. The bassoon also has a small, thin piece on top called a reed. This shiny instrument is called the saxophone. Even though it looks like brass, it's part of the woodwind family. It has a lot of buttons called keys. The saxophone uses a small reed on the mouthpiece to make its sound. This straight instrument is called the clarinet. The clarinet is usually black with silver keys. It has many buttons called keys going all the way down. The clarinet also uses a small reed to make its sound. This thin instrument is called the oboe. The oboe is smaller and skinnier than the clarinet. It has lots of silver keys, but the oboe uses 2 tiny reeds together at the top to make a sound called a double reed. When thinking about the characteristics of the woodwind family, think of these 4 words. They are straight, they're made of wood, has lots of keys, and uses a reed to make its sound. All right, kids, that is a great time of learning. Hey, when you came into the classroom, you received a number 1 or a number 2. Here's what I need you to do. we're going to break up into groups. If you received a number 1, you're going to do some extra studies on the brass family. If you're a number 2, you're going to study about the woodwind family. Let's split up into our rooms, into our centers, and let's get learning.